Hello brothers, I hope you in good health. Yamaha's latest large displacement motorcycle model, Yamaha R7, has been officially launched. Yamaha R7 is the new face in the R series sport bike lineup equipped with a 689cc cross-plane CP2 two-cylinder engine. Surprisingly, the price of the Yamaha R7 is extremely attractive, not much different from the MT-07 2021. So let's talk about it. After a series of rumors and teaser images, the Yamaha R7 has been officially launched and is equipped with a CP2 engine similar to the MT-07. The CP2 engine equipped on the Yamaha R7 provides powerful torque-based acceleration, providing a truly enjoyable driving experience on the track and on the road. Ultra-narrow body design and optimized aerodynamics. The highlights is the double headlight design like the eyes and the super bright central LED headlight. The R7 front-end design becomes the smallest of the R series sport bike models and ensures the highest level of aerodynamic efficiency. Meanwhile, the clip-on handlebar design, high-claw sports rear design combined with a low saddle provide a sporty and flexible driving posture. Super Sport Yamaha R7 will meet the needs of the bikers who like the thrills on the track and on the road. The sharp rear end has a new wing design and a sporty angle fuel tank that inherits the DNA from the R series. The all-new LCD screen displays all the necessary design information such as gear shift, speed, gasoline, RPM, etc. The R7's premium brakes and suspension provide optimal control during cornering and braking. The heart of the Yamaha R7 is cross-plane 2 CP2 engine block, 689cc, similar to the MT-07 2021. With two inline cylinders producing 73 horsepower at 8,750 RPM and a maximum torque 67 newtons at 6,500 RPM. The engine of the R7 is tweaked by the company in favor of strong acceleration, bringing exciting throttle screw. Besides, this bike also gets lightweight and optimized frame design in terms of aerodynamics, and this vehicle weight is only 188 kilograms. The Yamaha R7 is also equipped with assist and silver clutch anti-slip clutch, accompanied with a quick shifter. Unlike the MT-07, the new R7 gets Kayaba 41mm upside down form fork. This bike also comes with two front disc brakes measuring 298mm, complete with Brembo 4-piston symmetrical brakes combined with safety ABS. Finally, the price of the Yamaha R7 for the American market costs $8,999 and available in two color chassis including blue and black. Stay healthy brothers, hope you enjoyed this video.